This video is focusing on the present progressive. We'll be looking at the uses of the present progressive, the forms of the present progressive in statements and questions, and we will also take a look at the be verb when it is the main verb in the simple present. Let's begin. Let's take a look at some example sentences with the present progressive. She is putting on lipstick while driving. He is eating a hamburger in the car. I am recording this video lesson right now. What are you doing right now? As we can see in these examples, the present progressive is used for activities that are happening right now that are in progress at the moment of speaking. Let's look at some other examples of the present progressive. This month, I'm carpooling to work. We're not drinking coffee this week. How many classes are you taking this semester? In these sentences, is the action happening right now at the moment of speaking? As we can see, the action is not happening right now. So the present progressive is also used for a time period including the present, and it may not be happening right now. Here are some keywords for these time periods: this semester, this month, this week, this year, these days. These words show a time period that includes the present. This is a time diagram for the present progressive. Here we can see that it shows an action starts in the past, and it is in progress now at the moment of speaking, and it will probably end at some point in the future. Let's look at the forms of the present progressive. First, the basic idea is that we use the present form of the be verb and then a verb with an ing ending after it. So here's some examples. I am waiting for the train. You, we, or they are singing in the car. He, she, or it is walking to the park. So just make sure that you have the correct form of the be verb that goes with that subject. Here's a negative sentence. She is not texting and driving. So first we have the subject, then we have the be verb, we have not, and then the verb with the ing ending. Notice we often use contractions like she isn't texting or she's not texting. Here's a yes or no question. Are you taking a lot of classes this semester? Here we have the be verb, which is first. The be verb is the helping verb. Then we have you as the subject, and then we have the verb with the ing ending. And the short answers are yes, I am, or no, I'm not, and the subjects will change. This is a WH question. What are you learning in your grammar class? We start with the WH word, then we have the be verb, which is the helping verb here, then the subject, and the main verb with the ing ending. Let's take a look at the simple present form of the be verb when it is the main verb in the sentence. What are the uses of the be verb? Here are some examples. I am a student. We are happy today. Monica is at the library. So when the be verb is the main verb in the sentence, it usually has a noun, adjective, or prepositional phrase after it. There are no verbs right after the be verb when it is the main verb of the sentence. If there is a verb after the be verb, it could be the present progressive, or it could be a mistake. Let's look at the question forms of the be verb. This is where it sometimes gets confusing. Here's a yes or no question. Are you busy this semester? We have the be verb, and then we have the subject. Notice the word after that is an adjective. Is she a teacher? we have the be verb, then we have the subject. The next word in this question is a noun. Are they in Los Angeles? Again, we have the be verb and we have the subject. And in this question, we have a prepositional phrase after it. Note, be careful not to use do or does in these questions. This is a common error. If you say, do you busy this semester? That is not correct. So make sure that you do not make this mistake.